here is how you can quickly create a brand for your 3D business. First, you can create a logo with AI using this ChatGPT prompt to generate logo and ideas. Step 2, you can find the perfect name. If you want to create a different name for your brand, you can try Namelix by visiting namelix.com to get creative, unique brand name tailored to your business or industry. Just go to namelix.com and then type your name or your business name, for example, CJ Noble Viz. Generate. You can select a name style, choose evocative, compound words like FedEx, non-English words, brandable names like Google, Rolex, short phrase like Dollar Shave Club, alternative spelling like Fiverr, or real words like Apple and Amazon. For now, automatic, and then select the generation random. So you can choose either low, medium, or high. For medium, the balance randomness. For low, it means most direct names, ideas. For high, random and varied. For me, medium. The brand info, give them the keywords that is related to your business or your brand, and then a short description of your product or service as a 3D visualizer. So click generate. Okay, and then you can find various brand name ideas that you can use for your branding. They also give you or generate you logo ideas. For using AI or ChatGPT, just input, this is the prompt that I used, and then this is the image that AI or ChatGPT generated for me. I think we can also use the Gemini. Okay, we can also use Gemini, so let's try this one. I will just use CJ Noble or my personal name to generate a logo. Then hit enter, and then you can just quickly generate a logo for yourself. What I do is I traced it using Illustrator or Inkscape. So that's how you can build your brand in minutes with AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Namelix.com. Comment below if you've tried this and share your brand logo and your brand name in the comment section.